during the beginning of that, I had an individual who, he's fairly new to me, only about a year and a half, and he wanted to walk his daughter down the aisle for her wedding, and he's visually impaired. So it was a big task, and he has a lot of trust issues. Well, every Friday for 45 minutes, his therapist and I would walk the halls, we walked around the building, we'd go outside, and it was the best part of my week. You know, and it worked, it did wonders for the rapport that I have with this individual now. Spending that time with him once a week, and it makes the job worth it when you're able to do that and know that this individual was able to do what any father wants to do and walk his daughter down the aisle for her wedding. Wow. And dance with her at her reception.